Hi, how are you? You can see a wooden frame here, and it's a solid wood. You can see from the side, and we are going to paint the acrylic paint on top of it. We are using this, the heavy acrylic color. So in this canvas, we are going to put the sceneries. So for that one, first let's put the grasses here on top, like this one. So all the grasses must be in a line from left to the right side, and a straight line you can see here. Okay, in the middle, in some places you can make the grasses little bit taller. Okay, then behind the grasses you can see we're going to put the mountains. So there must be some uneven contour on the top, like this one. You can see I'm just putting the contours of the mountains. So it's just a line going from the top. Mm-hmm. Just the shade is fallen on the left side, and the right side you can see the brighter side. Okay, all right, after the mountain is done, we just try to make it a little brighter with the use of the yellow color, so that it looks a little bit bright from the top. Just putting the shades, moving downwards, putting some colors here also from the top, and moving downwards. And finally the last one here, putting the yellow colors. Okay, so three mountains you can see is visible. Okay, and we're going to put the blue color here to show the water, taking little bit blue color and just putting the colors here. Okay, so as you know the surface is darker, so blue is not getting visible. In this case we have to think for different options. Let's see, how about we put the orange color in the bottom and try to show it as a water. As you know, for the painting the imagination is the important, and you can draw anything with your imaginations. If it looks good with the canvas, then the creativity seems to be very good. So you can see here the water is getting visible. Okay, putting it all the strokes. Mm-hmm. All right, so those are the main strokes we are just putting here. Okay, so there's the mountains, the greeneries, the water body. Now if you like to put a boat in the middle of here, then we have to go for a boat, but this must be a yellow boat because this is going to be visible very nicely here if we put the yellow color. Okay, putting the color here. Mhm. Showing some reflections on the water, and maybe a person standing here. Okay, there's the boatman, and just putting two stands within the boat. Okay, all right. Mm-hmm. So the whole scenery has uh, its own appeal and presentations. So that's the very nice painting, and if you like, just you can draw something like a sun, like you can see that's showing it in the sky like a round shape. That's very creative, and that's all for today, the total drawing, and it's finished, it's complete. Thanks for watching, have a good day.